Hello. And when I left home I had 98-mile range and the mileometer was 8900. I have now got to Blyth after doing a little diversion, dropping off a couple of things. So have a look at the range. Let's see if we can get it so it doesn't have yeah, 18 miles, 83 miles range, 61%. Okay, after giving the lens a little wipe over because it got missed. So we went from, just got my thing down here, 72%, we used 11%, which has done 18 miles and covered 83 to 98, 15. So there is 3 mile difference between the range of the car and the car mileage that it's actually done. So I am here at Blyth just to, and I did 5 kilometers, 5 miles per unit. That's because I can't see the thing with the sun. Okay, we're outside. Of course, we're now going to be hit by wind. So let's see what charger can we put on. Okay. We are at Blyth, which is one of the first ones that I ever came to. So we have the DC thingy, and these cables are all messed up. I'm going to have to put you down so I can sort these cables up. Okay, all the cables were all tangled up, which is like spaghetti junction. So we put it in. CCS and press start. Now this CCS is only 20 kilowatts. Which means it's not the standard 50, so each car gets 20 odd. So let's see what range the car on screen says we have. 61%. 21 minutes reported by car to charge up. So back in the car. We have 34 minutes remaining. Why have I got an awfully dull? Right, we're gone down. So we'll come back. We'll set 34 minutes because that's what the car says here, and we'll go and get some shopping. Okay, I've set to come back on time. 94%, which is as much as the car ever gets, and 10.1. So as we collect our little connectors and we put them back onto the car, 10.1, remember that. If I forget, you tell me. There's not a lot of room to get back in the car. Do we look a bit dark? So we put 10.1 in, make a note of that. Now we'll turn the car back on and we'll show you why have we gone so dark. We have 132 miles, 94%. So with that, see you on the next episode.